Good evening guys. Ayan, kakain na naman po si baby. Yay. May spoon po siya, pero mas mas gusto niya yung ginagamit yung kanya pong daliri. So, meron po siya ditong chicken leg with broccoli. He likes broccoli. Yay. Show to them how you chew your food. Say hi. Good evening. You playing kiss to them? Playing kiss to them? Naga, mahal kita. Oh, see? You know how to say mahal kita. So, this is baby food. Yan. So, yung kanin niya. Ganyan po siya karami. Yan. So, ayan. Say bye-bye to them. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like our picture. Flying kiss to them, huh? Flying kiss to them. Flying kiss. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.